Hello everyone, today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily find the Gutenberg default block source code from GitHub Repository. So it's really useful when you are trying to implement existing features from the default blocks of your own custom blocks. So for that reason you have to go to this repository. I'm going to put that link in the description box. You can easily follow that link from there, and then go to the packages, and then you have to go to the block library, then source, and this is the folder where you will get all the source code of default Gutenberg blocks. Here's the columns, avatar, audio archives, everything in here, so you can easily go into that folder and find your required code from there. I hope that helps, and it will gonna help you a lot to create something really awesome. Thanks for watching.